Hello everybody, Ms. Scary Brown here for another important lesson on how to write a paper. Today we're going to be talking about making a title page in APA format. Usually I give my students a template, but this time I decided to do it from scratch just so you can learn. So the first thing I need to take care of is my header. I'm going to go up here to the Insert tab, and about halfway down I see headers and footers, and I'm going to select the header. That'll open up the header box for me. What I need to make sure is that in APA paper, your title page is going to be slightly different from the rest of your pages, so you need to make sure this box here is different. Okay? So the first thing I need to do is actually write the words running head. Seems weird, but that's what you've got to do. The next thing you've got to do is put on your caps lock because your short title needs to be capitalized. So the title is basically just a very descriptive title about what my paper is about. So I'm just going to go ahead and write a quick version, a short version of what my paper is going to talk about. I'm going to be talking about technology and classrooms. Now I also need to make sure I have a page number. So I'm going to go down to page numbers and I'm going to insert a page number. That'll make sure it'll take care of all the numbering for me. Actually needs to be left justified over here, but it put it in the wrong spot. So I'm just going to use tabs to do it. Make sure that it doesn't go down to the next line. So I only want that amount of tabs. Okay, so now that I've gotten my header taken care of, I need to make sure I do my title correctly. So I am just going to enter down about halfway down the page, and I'm going to go center it, and I'm going to write my title. And it's going to be a longer version. So new, looks like I forgot to take my caps lock off. I do not want all of my title in capital letters this time. So what I'm going to do is just capitalize the important words in my title. New technology that will aid in classroom management. Okay, all right, now that I've gotten that taken care of, I'm going to go down. Oh, looks like I forgot to double space, so I need to come up here to my line spacing icon and choose double space. Now I can write my name, make sure I spell it right, and then I can write my school. Now, if I were at a university and I were a professor that was going to publish this paper, I might put an author's note down here, and you can look up how to do that. But since you're in middle school, you don't actually need to worry about an author's note at this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Insert tab again, and I'm going to put a page break in, and that will automatically take me to my next page. Now I need a header on this second page, and it already put my page number in for me, but I actually need the header part as well. I don't need the words running head, but I do need the title. Technology for classrooms. Make sure my page number is in the right place, and then I'm done. So now for the rest of the time, it's going to give me the correct header on all of my pages. So what I need to do now that I'm done with that is to write my full title again. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. Now remember, I want the long version, not the short version. And that's all you do. Brown out.